From the Supreme Court staying police action against Sadhguru's Isha Foundation to Haryana's last day of campaigning, and what did Telangana Congress minister say on Samantha and Naga Chaitanya that landed her in a soup? Let's get you all the big stories of the day in this news wrap. Hi, I'm Flora Swai and you're watching the Indian Express. Let's get started. SC stays police action against Sadhguru's Isha Foundation. The Supreme Court on Thursday stopped the Tamil Nadu police from taking any further action against Isha Yoga Center run by spiritual leader Sadhguru at Coimbatore. The Supreme Court transferred to itself the petition pending before the Madras High Court and further asked the police to submit the status report to it. Here's our report.
The Supreme Court transferred to itself the petition pending before the Madras High Court, in which the latter directed the police to report on criminal cases registered against the Isha Yoga Foundation. A three-judge bench presided by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud also restrained any further police action on the basis of the High Court order. The Supreme Court also directed that the status report by the police in pursuance of the High Court order be submitted to it. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for the foundation, submitted before a bench presided by the CJI that the ashram has a blemishless record, and the two women who were alleged to have been held by force appeared before the Madras High Court and stated they were there on their own will. Representing the centre, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta too said the High Court should have been more circumspect before passing the order. Now, one of the women also appeared online and told the bench that they had appeared before the High Court and said, and I quote, "We are here at Isha Yoga Center by our own will, and we also told the Honorable Judge of the High Court that this harassment from our father's side has been continuing for the past 8 years. The Supreme Court said, of course, you can't let the army or the police into an institution like this." On Tuesday, 150 police personnel led by an additional superintendent of police rank officer from Coimbatore Rural Police entered the Isha Foundation's ashram to conduct inquiries. The police action came a day after the Madras High Court sought a report on all criminal cases registered against the foundation. While hearing a habeas corpus petition filed by Dr. S. Kamaraj, a retired professor, alleging that his two daughters, Geeta and Lata, were being held captive at the foundation in Coimbatore, the High Court ordered the police to conduct an inquiry and file a report.
India rejected a report of the US Commission on International Religious Freedom, that is a USCIRF, as malicious and termed the organization biased with a political agenda. The Commission has flagged the alleged worsening of religious freedom in India and called for it to be designated as a country of particular concern. Responding to media queries, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said, and I quote, "Our views on the United States Commission on International Religious Freedom are well known. It is a biased organization with a political agenda." Ghar Vapsi as Ashok Tanwar rejoins Congress. The campaigning for Haryana Assembly election ended on Thursday. However, a drama unfolded as the campaigning ended. BJP's Ashok Tanwar was in Safidon in Haryana's Jindh district canvassing for BJP candidate Ramkumar Gautam. Barely an hour later, the BJP leader arrived in Mahendragarh to join the Congress at the end of Rahul Gandhi's rally. Tanwar's return is likely to help the Congress combat the BJP's frequent accusations of it being an anti-Dalit party following the reports of discord between Huda and the party's Sirsa MP Kumari Shelja, who, like Tanwar, is also from the Dalit community. In the meantime, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his confidence in BJP's hat-trick in the state. He said he had travelled across the state over the past few days and was sure that the people would again bless the BJP. Punjab. Stubble burning continues in Amritsar despite ban by Punjab government. The Supreme Court slammed the air quality panel for failing to control incidents of stubble burning in NCR and nearby areas and said it has made no effort to implement its direction to prevent such incidents. Supreme Court slammed the Commission for Air Quality Management for failing to control pollution. A three-judge bench of Justices Abhay S. Oka, Ehsanuddin Amanullah and Augustine George Massey said that the Commission for Air Quality Management, that is a CAQM, has not launched a single prosecution against incidents of stubble burning in the National Capital Region and the adjoining areas. The bench said neither Punjab nor Haryana has placed on record any document showing efforts made to comply with the directions issued by the Commission. Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Naga Chaitanya are in the headlines thanks to this Congress. Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Naga Chaitanya are in the headlines thanks to this Congress Telangana Minister Konda Surekha, who stoked controversy after commenting on their divorce. Here's what she said. Congress leader and Telangana Minister Konda Surekha is in the spotlight a day after alleging BRS leader KTR of playing a role in Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Naga Chaitanya's divorce. Konda Surekha has retracted her statement and apologized to the actress.
అనుకోకుండా నా నోటు నుంచి జరగడం జరిగింది. ఆ తర్వాత వారి ట్వీట్ చూసిన తర్వాత నేను కూడా చాలా బాధపడ్డాను. ఎందుకంటే ఏ విషయంలో నేనైతే బాధపడతా ఉన్నానో ఆ విషయంలో నేను ఇంకొకరిని నొప్పించాను అని తెలిసి రాత్రి వెంటనే మరి దాన్ని వెనక్కి తీసుకుంటూ తగ్గేది లేదు. ఆయన తప్పనిసరిగా క్షమాపణ చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది.
So what really happened? On Wednesday, in a video, the politician could be heard commenting about Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Naga Chaitanya's divorce in Telugu. She said, "The reason behind Naga Chaitanya and Samantha Ruth Prabhu's divorce is none other than K.T. Ramarao. He used to drug actresses, take them to rave parties and tap their phones to find their weaknesses and blackmail them. Everyone in the film industry knows it. It's an open secret." Her remark soon went viral on social media, attracting backlash from the former couple, their family members, as well as KTR. Samantha reacted strongly to Konda Surekha's remarks and warned her. She wrote, "Konda Surekha Garu, I'm proud of what this journey turned me into. Please don't trivialize it. I hope you realize that your words carry significant weight as a minister. I implore you to be responsible and respectful of individuals' privacy. My divorce is a personal matter and I request that you refrain from speculating about it. Our choice to keep things private doesn't invite misinterpretation. To clarify, my divorce was mutual consent and amicable with no political conspiracy involved." Meanwhile, Naga Chaitanya in a statement on X said, "Today the claim made by Minister Konda Surekha Garu is not only false, it is absolutely ridiculous and unacceptable. Women deserve to be supported and respected. Taking advantage and exploiting the personal life decisions of celebrities for the sake of media headlines is shameful." Naga Chaitanya's father, Nagarjuna, confirmed that he is mulling legal action against the minister. He wrote on X, "I strongly condemn the comments of Honorable Minister Mrs. Konda Surekha. Don't use the lives of movie stars who stay away from politics to criticize your opponents. Please respect other people's privacy. As a woman in a responsible position, your comments and accusations against our family are completely irrelevant and false." KTR too reacted to the statement and served a legal notice to the politician. He also requested Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to send Konda Surekha to a mental health specialist or a rehabilitation therapist. South Indian film stars were equally outraged. Junior NTR called it a new low and called for rising above and maintaining boundaries. Mahesh Babu said he was pained by the comments made by the minister and wrote, "As a father of a daughter, as a husband to a wife, as a son to a mother, I am deeply anguished by the unacceptable remarks and language used by a woman minister on another woman." Veteran actor and Bharat Rashtra Samiti leader Prakash Raj questioned Konda Surekha's mindset and wrote on X, "What shameless politics! Women who act in movies are small?" Furthermore, Nani shared a strong statement against Konda Surekha, writing, "Disgusting to see politicians thinking that they can get away talking any kind of nonsense. When your words can be so irresponsible, it's stupid of us to expect that you will have any responsibility for our people." That's all for today, but leaving you with visuals from Kolkata of an RG Kaur themed Durga Puja Pandal. The horrific Kolkata rape murder case was chosen as a theme of a Kolkata Puja. The installation, organizers claim, aims to raise awareness about women's safety and the pressing issues of violence against women.